Are you constantly tired, getting sick more often than usual, or dealing with brain fog? You might be part of a massive silent epidemic. The National Institutes of Health estimates that 1 in 4 Americans is currently deficient in vitamin D, and most have no idea. And this isn't just about weak bones. Immunologists widely agree that vitamin D directly regulates the cells that fight off infection. But before you reach for a pill, you need to know about these 8 foods that can help you top it up naturally. Number 1. Oily fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are some of the richest natural sources of vitamin D you can eat. According to USDA data, a single 3.5-ounce serving of salmon can provide close to your full day's recommended intake. But stick around for number 3 on this list because it completely surprised me. Number 2. Egg yolks. Not the whites, the yolk is where the vitamin D lives, along with most of the fat-soluble nutrients. Nutritionists generally recommend keeping the yolk in rather than opting for egg white-only diets, specifically for this reason. Number 3. UV-exposed mushrooms. Most regular mushrooms have almost no vitamin D, but some are deliberately grown under ultraviolet light, which boosts their vitamin D content dramatically. Look for vitamin D called out on the nutrition label. It's usually clearly marked. Number 4. Fortified milk and plant milks. Because natural food sources are limited, the U.S. has been fortifying dairy milk with vitamin D since the 1930s. While it's actually a voluntary practice at the federal level, it's so universally adopted to prevent widespread deficiency that you'll rarely find unfortified milk in the store today. Number 5. Fortified breakfast cereals. Always check the label. Many popular cereals include added vitamin D, often alongside iron and B vitamins. Number 6. Cod liver oil. It's not glamorous, but it is one of the most concentrated sources available on the planet. A single teaspoon can cover your daily requirement, though admittedly the taste isn't for everyone. Number 7. Canned tuna. It's convenient, affordable, and a genuinely decent source of vitamin D, especially when fresh oily fish isn't in the budget. And number 8. Beef liver. It's a smaller contribution than fish or eggs, but combined with the others on this list, it adds up. It's most useful as a supporting source rather than a primary one. Now, in the winter months, many people still need a supplement on top of their diet. The Endocrine Society recommends most healthy adults aim for 600 to 800 IU daily. But if you want to know what is actually happening inside your body when those levels drop too low, click the video on the screen right now and I'll show you. See you over there.